people. What I'm doing now, huh? I will roast these peaches with a pinch of vanilla. Excellent jam. Delicious. Healthy. Best antioxidant. I'm trying to deceive my baby husband who likes sweets, and I'm trying to help with his cancer and natural homeopathic remedies with no sugar added, of course, because these peaches fruits are full of sugar, and when we roast them or bake in oven, then we increasing actually sugar in them. Check it out, check it out, check it everything and everyone. Ciao tutti, and buon avvenuti. Bye.